JVZoo is an affiliate marketing platform specializing in digital products like online courses, ebooks, and software. As a JVZoo affiliate, you earn commissions by promoting these products using unique affiliate links. In 2025, JVZoo is increasingly integrating AI for campaign automation and provides enhanced analytics dashboards for traffic and conversion insights. The platform emphasizes ethical promotion practices and compliance with regulations like the EU's DSA and the US FTC guidelines. Expect commissions between 30 to 75% and aim for evergreen products. Use targeted content and niche specialization to generate free traffic and sustainable income. To generate free traffic for JVZoo affiliate marketing, optimize content for search engines using long-tail keywords. This involves website analysis, competitor research, and on-page optimization to rank higher in search results. Leverage social media platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts by creating short, engaging videos that demonstrate product benefits. This builds awareness and drives conversions through organic reach in the funnel, from awareness to advocacy. Build free email lists using lead magnets, such as downloadable ebooks or guides. This allows you to nurture subscribers with newsletters that subtly promote JVZoo products, driving consistent traffic. Form partnerships with other affiliates for cross-promotions, such as shout-outs or guest appearances on podcasts. This drives reciprocal traffic and builds community around JVZoo products. In 2025, AI-driven automation is transforming JVZoo affiliate marketing. Affiliates use AI for generating promotional content, testing variations, and analyzing data to improve free traffic strategies. Niche specialization favors success in specific areas, such as sustainable living or AI tools for entrepreneurs. Create targeted content on platforms like Reddit to attract organic traffic. Sustainability and ethics are key trends, with consumers expecting authentic promotions. Focus on genuine, value-driven content and eco-friendly products to build trust and adapt to stricter regulations. The future of JVZoo affiliate marketing favors those who master free traffic, embrace AI tools, and create authentic content that aligns with sustainability and ethics.